Hi, it's Handy Val. What I'm going to show you today will work on many models and styles of Mercedes from the 1980s to the 2010s. Today I'm working on my 1992 300 SL R129. My Mercedes hood ornament has seen better days. Here's mine. It's discolored. Its paint has actually peeled away. This type of damage is normal over the years. My car is close to 30 years old. This hood, this car will look so much better with a new one. So let's swap it with a new one. It is so easy. So here's the new one. It's an official Mercedes-Benz. Wow, what a difference. Now it is plastic. Germany. This one feels to be aluminum. But hey, this is official. So to take the old one out, what you gotta try to do is you gotta try to get in through there. Hopefully, depending on your fingernails, if they're long enough, try to get kind of in there and try to lift it up. In this case, there you go. Simple as that. Tell it's a little dirty there. You're going to want to just use maybe a microfiber rag if you want to, kind of just to clean that area off a bit. Don't have to, because the new one is going to go right over that. Now, as you could tell, there are a couple of grommets already there, and you could technically just put the new one back on. And alright, so I thought it would be a kind of a loose fit with the old grommets, but it's actually doesn't seem to be going anywhere. So in this case, I think we are done. So let's have a quick look at that. That's pretty amazing compared to the old one. Absolutely. In the video description, I will be providing part numbers for the emblem as well as for the grommets, depending if you do find those in bad shape or not. Now in this case, they were actually pretty good. Also, we'll be providing all the years that this type of emblem works on a Mercedes-Benz and styles and models. Thanks for watching, Handy Val. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and or subscribe to my Handy Val channel. I post videos on my Mercedes R129 regularly. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.